creating the logo and the design. Teams are also focusing the information related to the villages, what facts are taking place in the society. Actually, when NSS idea has came from Major Jagannath Bhosle, who was a retired army officer who worked in army. Later on, he has given suggestion to the University Grant Commission, which leads the universities at academic level, and the development is taking place. He has suggested in 1950s